And we are back! What's going on, everybody? This is part dose of this Christmas house series. Check out this video for part 1. Go ahead. We'll wait. Catch up. Wasn't that fun? Let's go ahead and finish up today on Studio-214. Well, you know, my name is Gregory, and a lot to do. Drawings and paintings and cooking and music and tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Okay, lights and ribbons. Now the light is gonna spill onto the fencing around the deck before hitting the ground. And them red ribbons are gonna have highlights on the side facing the lights. Really? Gee, thanks for mansplaining that, Brad. What other pearl do you have? Does the side not facing the light get shadow? Well, actually yes. In this case, alizarin crimson. You know, you would be surprised how often that is overlooked. You're overlooked, bro. That I am. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notifications so that nobody gets overlooked again. Them wreaths need some fixing. The color looked good in person, not so much on camera, so I lighten them up. After all, the light is there, so the branches making the wreath would be lit as well. As such, more highlight. So, this is not fresh snow. It has been here for a little bit, so the roof would have some wintry white and wet love all on top. Well, purple, I guess. Seeing as that I'm making it purple. Know what? Purple everywhere. More purple. For a discussion on why purple, check out part 1 by following the card or the link in the description. Here come that tree. It was a good tree, and it would grow wherever I would grow. I'm a big fan of the fan brush. Trademark. But if I'm honest, I don't like using it exclusively for my trees. They become obvious. I don't know where I heard it, but I like it. I don't like people knowing what brush I used by the strokes. That means the shape is uniform and lame. So I aims to try and break it up. To wit, I am going to use a filbert to add the highlight. See? Now isn't that nice? Same deal with the wee tree over there. Ooh, that's nice, don't you think? So I don't like the ground behind the house, and I don't want to repaint the deck in them beautiful ribbons. So it's tape time. Mucho better. Now, let's decorate. Throw in color. It can't be wrong, seriously. You have to try and mess it up. The wreaths were good practice for the trees. That wall looks blank, so I'm gonna put a window in. Would anyone plant a big ass tree in front of their damn window? Shut up, you! Trust me. It works. Y'all won't even notice or remember that it's there. Pepperidge Farm remembers. On to Frosty. I can say this. My skills at snowman are legit. Snow is somewhat translucent, and the shadow from the packing snow within gives a cool effect. So I reckon glazing and a nice blend between highlights, midtones, and shadows, which will get this done, and in a nice, attractive way. I like to use the shadow as a way of setting whatever is casting the shadow into the painting. Otherwise, it looks like it's floating, and that's weird. Most of my snowmen have red scarves and a black hat with an orange carrot nose. In fact, all of them do. Y'all remember Calvin and Hobbes? Man, I love that comic. Calvin made some crazy snowmen. Man, wouldn't a Calvin and Hobbes cartoon have been amazing? F done right. So a huge F, right? Anyway, every time I paint a snowman, I think of Calvin's snowman scenes. You know, I should really make one. Stay tuned for a Calvin and Hobbes inspired painting. Yeah, like that. Now, I asked a buddy what he thought, and we both agreed more is needed in front. It's not a fresh snow, it's older, so there would be footprints. I mean, the snowman didn't make itself. Or did it? No, it didn't. I painted it. So let it flow. Just remember, the footprints in the snow make a depression and a ridge around the print. The side facing the light will be lighter and should get some highlight. Come on, man! What? Well, that is enough. I think we're done. This painting is awesome! Thanks for hanging out, guys. Please subscribe and leave a comment that you dig it, or that I suck, and then let's talk about it. As for me, I'm going to the house. For Studio-214, I'm Greg. Thanks for watching.